All right, guys, the last cocktail we're gonna make tonight is a camp hot toddy, just perfect for a winter night like this. All right, we're gonna start off by boiling a little bit of water. Now while that boils, we're gonna prepare the rest of our drink. I'm gonna squeeze half of a lemon, about 2 ounces of whiskey. Next, we just add about a tablespoon of honey. Yeah, look at that sweet, sweet honey. Just like that, our water is boiling. And last but not least, you want to add your tea bag and get that thing steeping. I don't know why mine doesn't have a string, to be honest. This is camp cocktail hour. I guess you got to roll with the punches a little bit. Cheers, you guys. Oh, that one is good. You can really feel how that coats your throat. I know a lot of people that will have a hot toddy if they've got a sore throat or are feeling a little sick. You can definitely see why. That is so, so good.